I should go pro. I was in the bathroom working on my spanking new do when Panama brought it in. I have to do my sick guitar solo, to the song, so I had to leave the bathroom.
Yeah.
And when I came back, the bathroom was on fire. Dude. Yeah.
What I really wanted to say was, negligence is the rust of the soul that corrodes through all her best resolves.
So I run in and I grabbed the crimper because that's what started the fire. And then I ran out of the house. So I came up with this rad plan. I was going to take the crimper and I was going to put it in Will's bag because, I'm not going to get in trouble.
Tragedy in life normally comes with betrayal and compromise. And trading on your integrity and not having dignity in life, that's really where failure comes.
Dude, that's really smart. I wish I was that smart, man.
Dude, it's okay. I know, everybody does. Yeah, so then I went up to my dad and I was like, yo, Will's been acting pretty sketch lately. I think he's the one that started the fire. So I told him, you should go look through all of his stuff just to make sure. And he did. And he found the crimper in Will's bag. And Will got totally arrested. I was free of all charges.
I wish I was like that. That's all you have to say.
Dude, you always know how to get out of everything. I wish I was like that.
What I really wanted to say was, nothing in the world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity.
Yeah, and then my dad was walking down the street one day and he saw Will, and Will was homeless, man. Yeah, and so he invited him back to his house because they'd already found me out because I had gone up to the video camera that was in the middle of the street filming me. So now I'm homeless and my dad loves Will more than me, but it's alright because that gives me a lot of free time to work on my air guitar skills.
There are times when parenthood seems nothing more than feeding the hand that bites you.
Dude, I wish I could humble myself and just be just like you.